Hey guys, if you are heading to China, getting online is going to be a nightmare without the right VPN, because the Great Firewall blocks most of what you use every day. Things like Google, social apps, messaging, streaming, and even AI chatbots. I have tested the options and narrowed it down to the 3 that actually work, and the links to all 3 with my best deals are in the description. Quick rule before we start. Whichever one you pick, download and set it up before you fly, because VPN websites and app stores are blocked once you are inside China. Let me get into it. First, an honest word on what actually works. Skip free VPNs entirely. They do not have the obfuscation technology needed to beat the Great Firewall, and most will not connect at all, so a free VPN for China is just wasted effort. The one feature that matters most here is obfuscation, which disguises your VPN traffic, so it looks like normal browsing and slips past the firewall. China uses deep packet inspection to spot and block standard VPN connections almost instantly, so obfuscation is non-negotiable. And to be straight with you, no VPN works 100% of the time in China. The firewall is always changing, so connections can drop, and you will usually get better results on hotel or home Wi-Fi than on mobile data. That is exactly why I recommend installing 2 of these before you travel, so you always have a backup. My number 1 pick is Surfshark, and it is the best overall for most people. In real testing, it is one of the most reliable at getting past the firewall, and it is also the best value by a mile because one subscription covers unlimited devices, so your phone, laptop, and tablet are all protected on a single account. The key for China is its NoBorders mode, which automatically kicks in on restricted networks, plus camouflage mode, which obfuscates your traffic so it does not look like a VPN. Turn NoBorders on in the settings before you connect. Then pick a nearby server like Japan, Singapore, or South Korea for the best speed. Once you are on, it reliably unblocks the sites and apps you actually need. It runs on RAM-only servers, has an independently audited no logs policy, and there is a 30-day money-back guarantee plus a 7-day trial, so testing it is risk-free, which is perfect if you only need it for a trip. To get it at the lowest price, use my Surfshark link in the description. The discount and the code YTStack are applied for you automatically, which gets you 4 extra months free on top. My number 2 pick is NordVPN, and it is the one I would pair with Surfshark as a backup. Because having 2 is the smartest move for China. Nord is a powerhouse with over 9,000 servers, and the feature that matters here is its obfuscated servers, along with its newer NordWhisper protocol, which is built specifically to keep a stable connection on heavily restricted networks like China. It is also genuinely fast thanks to the NordLynx protocol, and the built-in threat protection blocks ads, trackers, and malicious sites, so you do not need a separate antivirus. Nord also runs dedicated backup domains and guides in Chinese for when the main site is blocked, plus around-the-clock live chat if you get stuck, which genuinely matters in a place where things break. Same deal here. Use my NordVPN link in the description and the discount, plus the code YTStack apply automatically for 4 extra months free, with a 30-day money-back guarantee. My number 3 pick is ProtonVPN, and this one is for you if privacy is your top priority. Proton is based in Switzerland, which is one of the most privacy-friendly jurisdictions in the world, and sits outside the major intelligence sharing alliances. Its apps are open source, and its no logs policy is independently audited, and it has a stealth protocol designed to disguise your traffic in censored regions. Now let me be honest, 2 things to know. Proton's free plan will not get you through the Great Firewall. The obfuscation you need is on the paid plan, so you will want the paid version through my link. And while it is excellent for privacy and works well in moderately censored countries, it is a little less consistent than Surfshark and Nord in mainland China, which is exactly why it is my 3rd pick rather than my 1st. If privacy is what you care about most, Grab it through my Proton link in the description for the biggest current discount with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, a few quick setup tips that will save you a lot of frustration. Install your VPN before you arrive, ideally 2 of them. Test them at home first to make sure they connect. Turn on the obfuscation feature before you connect. That is NoBorders on Surfshark, obfuscated servers, or NordWhisper on Nord, and the stealth protocol on Proton. Connect to a nearby server like Japan or Singapore for the best speed. Use Wi-Fi rather than mobile data where you can, since mobile tends to be less reliable. Save the provider's dedicated backup domains and even write your login details on paper, because your password manager or email might be behind the firewall. And one honest note, VPN use in China sits in a legal gray area, technically restricted, but very common among travelers. So just use your own judgment. So to recap, my number 1 is Surfshark for the best value, unlimited devices, and the most seamless experience. My number 2 is NordVPN for its huge network and as the perfect backup. And my number 3 is ProtonVPN if privacy is your absolute priority. All 3 links with my best deals are in the description. The Surfshark and Nord discounts include the code YTStack for 4 free months. And everyone comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test them before your trip. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.